Okay, today we are going to what? Where?
Gobbler's Knob.
Gobbler's Knob. And we are going to do what?
I guess we're gonna see. What are they? Not beavers. The groundhogs.
And what's the name of it?
Punxsutawney.
Okay.
You tell me the name of it.
I can't say. I do it. Punxsutawney.
Punxsutawney.
Punxsutawney. Anyway, that's what we're doing. So if you want to see this video, be sure to stay tuned. We'll be back. Pennsylvania, and I'm going to give you a little bit of the scenery. It's gorgeous here. We are in a campground that's absolutely stunning, I think. We've been in quite a few that we really, really like, but this what do you call it, landscape is just really pretty. So we come into a gated community, and then you drive 5 miles up the road and you're into the KOA that we're at. And it's just unbelievably pretty, and it's all green, and the weather's been gorgeous. As you can see, I have a hoodie on today, and underneath the hoodie I have a long sleeve shirt on. It's probably about 65, 70 degrees.
Something like that, yeah.
65, 70 degrees. In the nighttime got to 57. It was so nice. What a welcome relief. So right here at this point is where we go to the camp store. So that was quite a drive already. We did rent a golf cart, so when we get back, we took a ride last night all around the campground, and that was fun. And we did our laundry again. And now we're headed to something Gobbler's Knob. Gobbler's Knob. I said Knob Hill. So anyway, we're gonna take you along with us, and I hope you enjoy this video. So this is Gobbler's Knob. This is apparently where they see the groundhog come out. See the groundhog up there. And then there's this over here. This is a trail that you can take. We're not going to do that today though. We're just going to go and explore other avenues. So I always video after Nate because he says all the cool stuff and I can just repeat what he said. So look at this. Can you believe it? We're at Gobbler's Knob, home of Punxsutawney Phil. And then right down there it leads you right to the stage. Okay, so here is where they come to watch the February 2nd groundhog thingy, and there's the stage there, and all people all over here on that day. Down there to this trail entrance is some old cars and whatnot, and then we've got this Groundhog Day. We are actually on the stage where they do the little groundhog thing, and all these names here, you can buy a brick and have your name put on it on the stage for $50. So, and this is the podium where they stand on. And that's the little door he comes out of, apparently. Okay, we're here at Phil's Burrow, and this is in the library of Punxsutawney. And right in here is Phil, his wife, and their cousin. I don't know if you can see it or not, but, oh, babe, come here. Babe, come here. There he is. He's alive.
Oh.
I hit the glass by accident. And there he is. Punxsutawney.
Look at this. He has awakened. Hello, Phil. Hello. Yeah. There's people here to visit you. Scratch your chin. Oh, baby, here he comes. Look, he's scratching. Look at that guy. It's too funny. Hello, Phil. Hello.
So apparently in the city, or the town of Punxsutawney, there are, how many?
32.
32 6-foot statues. And I will video a couple of them, but I'm not going to do them all. But my husband is, so if you want to see each and every one, you know where to go. Romancing the States.
Romancing the States.
RomancingTheStates.com, and you'll see each and every one. All right. See you in a bit. Is the Punxsutawney Library, where this little guy right here lives.